Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you through some common mistake in Laravel route wildcard. So maybe in your career as a developer working with Laravel, you've seen your application from the route perspective behave unpredictably. So most of the time, it may be as a result of maybe you making some mistake in the use of wildcard in your route. So without too much word, let me just show you what I'm talking about as we code together. So I have my PHP storm opened here with me. So let's just go to our route. So I have this fresh Laravel project created here, so there's nothing really going on here, nothing much going on here. So let's check the browser to see what we have here. So you can see that there is nothing really going on here. So now let's just have a simple route here. Let's say we have a route going to, let's say, a get request. So we want to go to users. So we are going to users. So let's say it's a route to view users profile. So you have something like this. Let's say ID. So ID. So it's going to, let's just have a callback here. So let's receive that ID. So and let's just close this. So inside here, let's just return the ID we passed in. Let's say user ID is that ID we received from the request. So let's view this in the browser and see what we have. Let's just go to /users, then let's go to ID of 424. So let's see what we have. You can see we have, just like we expect, we have the route returning to us the ID, which is the user ID. Now, do you know that this work well, but in some cases you are going to have some issue here. So now the issue that can happen here is, since you are expecting an ID here, so let's just practicalize it so that you can see some of the issues that can happen. So let's say hello, I put hello here. So you are still going to receive the hello, which is a string, is not a number, and what you are expecting here is a number. Though on a good day you can just do something like this. Maybe you have user and you have your user and you want to do user, so you just want to find your user, maybe find the ID. So but this is going to return to you that you don't have the user in the database. Yes, that's true. But what if on the route level you already put a system there that will make your route to to behave predictably? That is, this wildcard, that is, you see this ID here is just a wildcard here. That is, whatever is passed in is going to be received and passed on to the actions of your route. So now, what if at this level you just come, you tell the route, that is, you had a route constraint. That's what you would do here to solve that problem. You had a route constraint to make sure that this route wildcard, that is this ID here, only received number. So, and Laravel made that very simple for us. So you can just say where number, and that's all. So the next thing you can do is you can pass a string of the parameters that you expect to be a number, or you pass an array of parameters. So let's just come and say we are only expecting the ID to be a number. So this is going to let's see what this will do for us in the browser. So come back to the browser, let's refresh again and see what we have. You can see now that it's telling us not found. So, and this you can see that you are getting to see some of the common mistake. So someone can just define this. Yes, it's going to work, but is going to cause some unpredictable results over time. So that is one. Then second is second thing I will have to talk about here is route order. Let's see it in action. So let's say route. So let's most of you will always be familiar with a blog post example. So let's say we have a post and we have the slug of that post here. We are using a wildcard to accept this log. So let's have a function and let's return the slug here. So and that's so then let's just return the slug as we did the other time. So let's just say posts slug. So we are saying post slug, so let's put the slug here. So now let's go back to our browser and see what we can get from this. So let's just so we are going to posts. So we're going to posts. So posts, then let's say this is just a slug. So let's enter and let's see what we have. You can see that we received this. This is just a slug. So if you come back to the code, let's say we want to create a route again to allow people to create a post, that is a route for post creation. So we want to say posts, then create. So if you have something like this, so let's just return an action. So something here. So return. So then so let's just let's say create post here. So we are creating a post. So now let's go back to the browser and just say we want to create. So what's happening? All right, create. So enter. Now you can see something here that the wildcard here, we are having this route is taking that wildcard here, is saying create, saying the slug we just entered is create. So, and that is where that's the point I was trying to explain to you, that when you are working with route wildcard in Laravel, so the order also matters. So because the wildcard will take precedence. So to solve this problem now, what we have to do is to just move this one that is more predictable, that is the one we know that is not a wildcard, move it a level ahead of the route where we are using a wildcard. So let's go back to the browser and check this out. So you can see now that we are hitting the create post route. So there are many other situations that can happen with a route wildcard in Laravel. So but I've just brought for you a very most common scenario that people always always encounter, and I believe that having these tips in your hands will make you to be able to deal with your Laravel routing with a confidence that you know what you are actually doing. So if you have a question or something to say, shoot in the comment below. If you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the next release. Then if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. So till the next time, happy coding.